So what is a court-ordered title? A court-ordered title is a process where you file some documents with a court to have a vehicle title be issued to you. So why would you want to do this? Why wouldn't you just go directly to the Department of Motor Vehicles or DMV or Title Authority? Why would you want to go through the court? Well, this is a process when you have a vehicle that has something about the title records or the title document that the DMV is unable to help you with. Maybe the title is missing. Maybe the document is damaged. Maybe there's a lien showing on the record. There's a lot of reasons why the DMV is not allowed by law to issue you a title because of something wrong with your scenario, something wrong with your vehicle. When the DMV doesn't have the authority, the court does. The court can override the DMV. And sometimes the DMV will even tell you to contact the court to get your problem solved. So what is this? Well, a court-ordered title in some cases is called a magistrate title. Sometimes it's called a declaratory judgment. There's different words that different jurisdictions use. Sometimes it's called a writ of mandamus. Now remember, we're not attorneys. We're not giving you legal advice. We're just telling you about a process that can be used to correct. Your video will be back in 8 seconds. In the meantime, remember, you have access to live one-on-one consultation, undivided attention of a licensed certified expert in this subject and many others. We want to listen to your story. We want to hear your questions and give you expert advisement of your options. We want to tell you what we know about your situation and what options you have. Now back to your video. A title problem that the DMV is giving you the runaround. The way it's done is you file a package of documents in the county where you reside. You can do it locally. You don't have to travel. You don't have to go anywhere. In fact, you don't even have to go to the court. It's all done by mail. In fact, we don't recommend you even go to the court even if you have the documents because you'll have much better success if you mail it in. And we've talked about that before. What are these documents? Well, there's no standard fill-in-the-blank forms that you can get from the court that says, hey, give me the documents for a court-ordered title. They don't have forms for that. They don't have forms for every type of case that they handle. You have to prepare these and create them from scratch on your own. Now, our website will give you some instructions on how to do this, but it's a process where you create 3 or 4 different documents, a petition of ownership, a declaration of interest, and an affidavit of facts, at least those 3. Sometimes some courts you need another one. And you print them, you sign them, and you file them with the court, asking the court to fix your problem with the DMV. And many times they know exactly what to do. So that is a common question we get. What is a court-ordered title? It's a legal process you can use to go through the court system to fix a problem that the DMV is unable or doesn't have the authority to handle for you. Thank you for watching another video at actualhuman.com and describe.tv. Remember, if you have questions or comments about our videos, put them in the link below. Also, remember that you have availability and access to live one-on-one question and answer consultation with a licensed expert in a number of fields: investigations, insurance, surety bonds, civil court mediation, even things like real estate records research, real estate brokers, real estate mortgage lenders. In addition, you're going to find that experts are available in business segments, business development, marketing, advertising, certified licensed experts. So if you do find this content valuable and you want to delve more deeply into a subject, you can't ask YouTube a question, right? But if you want to talk to somebody live, an actual human, use the link below. Thanks for watching.